Imagine this, you're driving down a scenic coastal highway. The ocean glittering on your left, mountains rising on your right. But you're not in a regular RV, not even in a luxury coach. You're behind the wheel of something that looks more like a spaceship than a motorhome. People on the road slow down just to stare. Some even pull out their phones to take pictures. Welcome to the world of the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo, a futuristic $3 million motorhome that combines super yacht luxury, private jet styling, and high-tech automotive design all in one. This isn't just an RV. It's a rolling 5-star hotel designed for people who want the absolute best and don't mind paying millions for it. Today, we're taking you inside this masterpiece. We'll explore its jaw-dropping exterior, its luxury-packed interior, and every detail that makes the Element Palazzo one of the most unique motorhomes ever built. So buckle up. This is going to feel like stepping into the future of luxury travel. From the outside, the Element Palazzo doesn't look like any RV you've seen before. Its design is unmistakable. Bold, aerodynamic, and futuristic. The front end is rounded with a massive panoramic windshield that curves upward, almost like the cockpit of a spaceship. This windshield gives the driver an unmatched 180-degree view of the road, making it feel more like piloting an aircraft than driving a motorhome. The body itself is sculpted with clean, flowing lines. It's painted in a pearl white finish that shines like a super yacht under the sun. Even the wheels are oversized and polished to perfection, giving it that powerful road presence. And here's a fun detail. The front section almost resembles the face of a luxury yacht, while the rear carries that smooth, futuristic automotive vibe. It's a perfect fusion of land, sea, and air design inspirations. But wait until you step inside, because the real magic begins there. Open the doors, and the first thing you notice is the sheer height and openness. The Element Palazzo has a ceiling height of over 7 feet, making it feel airy and grand. The living room is nothing short of a luxury penthouse on wheels. Plush leather sofas stretch along the sides with seating for up to 8 people. Everything is wrapped in premium materials. Soft touch leather, polished wood, brushed aluminum. At the center, you'll find a lounge area with a massive flat-screen TV that rises from hidden compartments. The audio system is designed by premium sound engineers, so whether you're watching a movie or listening to music, it feels like a private cinema. Windows surround the lounge, flooding the space with natural light during the day, while hidden LED strips provide mood lighting at night. You can adjust everything, the brightness, the color, the ambience, with just a touch of a button. It's not just comfortable, it's indulgent. Now let's move to the kitchen and dining area. The Element Palazzo is built for travelers who don't want to compromise on meals. The kitchen is fitted with state-of-the-art appliances. A full-sized fridge, induction cooktops, microwave, even a high-end espresso machine for your morning coffee. The counters are made of solid stone with stainless steel finishes. Every drawer and cabinet uses soft close technology. And of course, there's smart storage everywhere to keep everything secure while you're driving. Right next to the kitchen, you have a formal dining space with a handcrafted wooden table. Imagine having dinner here while parked beside a quiet lake or overlooking the Alps. This is luxury travel at its finest. But the real highlight for many owners is the master bedroom suite. Step inside and you'll forget you're even in a vehicle. A king-size bed sits at the center, with premium memory foam mattresses and custom bedding. The walls are covered with soundproof insulation, ensuring complete peace and quiet even while driving at high speeds. You get built-in wardrobes, mood lighting, a vanity desk, and of course, another large entertainment screen. Every detail has been thought out to give you the comfort of a 5-star hotel suite no matter where you are. And yes, there's a fully private bathroom with luxury fittings, rainfall shower, heated floors, high-end ceramic finishes, and even a bidet system. This isn't just traveling, this is living in style. But the Element Palazzo has one feature that sets it apart from any other motorhome in the world: the Sky Lounge. At the push of a button, the roof of the motorhome transforms into a private terrace. A staircase unfolds, leading you up to a spacious deck with lounge chairs and even a cocktail bar. Imagine parking on a hilltop, watching the sunset and enjoying a drink with friends on your very own rooftop terrace. No other motorhome offers this level of exclusivity and experience. This is the detail that truly makes the Element Palazzo feel like a super yacht on wheels. Now what about driving this beast? The Element Palazzo is built on a Volvo or MAN heavy-duty truck chassis, depending on the configuration. It's powered by a 500 horsepower diesel engine, strong enough to move this 20-ton luxury palace smoothly across highways. The handling is surprisingly refined thanks to advanced air suspension systems. The driver's cockpit, with its panoramic windshield and leather captain's chair, makes you feel like you're in a futuristic command center. And yes, all the latest driving assists are included: navigation, cameras, sensors, and an advanced infotainment system for the driver. So, what makes this motorhome so special compared to other luxury RVs? Number 1, the design. There's nothing else that looks like the Element Palazzo. It's futuristic, bold, and instantly recognizable. Number 2, the luxury. From the master suite to the sky lounge, every detail screams exclusivity. It's not just about comfort, it's about making a statement. Number 3, exclusivity. Only a handful of these motorhomes exist in the world. Owning one means you're part of an elite club. And finally, the lifestyle. This isn't about just traveling from point A to point B. This is about the journey itself. It's about turning every trip into a 5-star experience. So let me ask you, if you had the chance to travel in the Element Palazzo, where would you take it first? Would it be a cross-country road trip in the US? A tour through the winding roads of Europe? Or maybe exploring the deserts of the Middle East? Drop your dream destination in the comments below. I'd love to know where you'd take this futuristic palace on wheels. The Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement of luxury, innovation, and ambition. It combines the best of automotive engineering with the elegance of yacht and jet design. Yes, at nearly $3 million, it's not something most of us can own, but it's fascinating to see how far design and technology can push the boundaries of travel comfort. Because at the end of the day, the Element Palazzo represents something bigger: the dream of absolute freedom without sacrificing luxury. The dream of waking up in a new place every morning, but always feeling at home. If you enjoyed this inside look at one of the most futuristic motorhomes in the world, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing automotive stories. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep chasing the road less traveled.